conservatee, if that makes sense. So it's the practice of law that requires an attorney. And if you have ChatGPT in there, essentially practicing law, well, no, it's got to be an attorney.
To hire an attorney, and you
I do not
find one that would only do this as a reference or guide.
I do not have money to hire an attorney.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I didn't interrupt you.
You're correct. I'm sorry.
So we're going to proceed with the motions today that have been filed, and you can add those on file. What I want to know is, beginning with the first one that I have written down, motion to compel exculpatory evidence, that's your motion, Mr. Cruz.
Sir, I don't have money to hire a lawyer. If I could hire a lawyer, because one would accept
That situation's been resolved. You're moving on.
my case, I don't have the money to pay them. Part of the motion I filed this morning is I would really like to have the $2,500 that I had to pay to get out of jail back to me. I have ties to this is written in the motion I filed this morning. I've been coming to every hearing for a year. I am no flight risk whatsoever. I have stated all along I am going to fight this to its conclusion and file a federal class action lawsuit at the end of it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm behind on rent. If you want me to hire an attorney, it would help if the government would give me back the $2,500 cash.
Well, I don't have that motion in front of me. If you say you filed it, and
I have a copy of it here.
No, I'm not going to take that up right now because he needs time to prepare and review that, and we don't have that on the agenda for today. Yes,
Judge, she's saying now that
I think if I remember correctly, he was put in jail on a contempt because he walked out of a court hearing, right? He's like, I'm not a flight risk, but I think it was contempt because he was like, well, fuck it. If you guys aren't going to play the game the way I want to play it, I'm just leaving, and he fucking left. And I think that's why he got the contempt, and I think that $2,500 is basically securing him actually showing up and staying through the hearings. So I was like, I'm not a flight risk, bro. But you literally did. You literally did. You walked out of the hearing, but he showed up, but you walked out. Oh, fucking stupid.
he can't afford an attorney. I mean, he could have an indigency hearing if you see that if the public defender could represent him. It sounds like he doesn't want to proceed on anything.
Is he?
You're free to apply downstairs if you're.
Is he not listening to a word?
You're free to apply downstairs if you want that public defender. You say you don't have money. You know, it's fucking crazy. He's like, he will come up with any excuse to use ChatGPT and not an attorney. They're like, oh, you don't have enough money? Go downstairs. Apply for the public defender. No, I can't do that. I can't find an attorney. There's 2 attorneys who stood up in court. No, they won't work. It's like, come on, dude. Like, there is no solution that you would be satisfied with other than ChatGPT. It's fucking crazy. And sorry, you can throw your little tantrum, but you're not going to get ChatGPT.
What I'm saying, I can't have a lawyer represent me. And you're saying you don't want to have ChatGPT because it's not a licensed lawyer. Sir, I'm not a licensed lawyer. And I'm defending myself alone without the assistance of counsel that is guaranteed to me in the Bill
Yeah. And it's all choices you're making.
of Rights.
I understand that.
I can't afford it, and none will accept it.
Is it in the Bill of Rights?
They won't accept the case, and I don't have the money to pay.
They won't accept the case because it sounds like you want them with a condition.
That's right,
that they
Fifth
not
Amendment.
take
A condition that I've had countless other... I've had many lawyers working that way under me. With the judge's permission, they allowed them to work that way under me.
To file whatever motion you filed, and if you did, then we'll take it up if it's filed in accordance with the Supreme Court rules. One of the motions you did file...
You're right, Patricia Fodor. I am not LIA. That is correct. If you scroll back to the beginning, that's when we covered LIA's opposition to the motion to dismiss.
File is motion to compel discovery of exculpatory evidence / rating request. Sir, that's your motion?
Sir, let's structure some organization. You're pulling out a random motion. Now, I have 4 motions filed from July 7th, and I have 3
Let's structure this, Your Honor. Let's not do it the way you want to do it. Let's do it the way I want to do it, Your Honor.
motions that I filed on